In this example, we are asked to graph y is less than 1/2 x plus 1. So I'm going to start with my y-intercept of positive 1, start at the origin, and we go up 1. My slope here is a 1/2, which means I want to go up 1 and over 2. So up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and I like to go all the way across my graph. So up 1 over 2 all the way across. And then I like to go backwards. I'm going to go back to my y-intercept to go down 1, back 2, and go all the way across this way. It just helps to make a more accurate picture of where the graph actually lays. So now I'm ready to draw my line. And so we have to look at this symbol here to figure out whether it will be a solid or a dashed line. This is a less than symbol, and there's no equal sign underneath it. So it's going to be a dashed line, and what that means is that these points along the line are actually not a solution to that inequality. Everything leading right up to it would be a solution, but not actually on this line. So speaking of solutions, we are going to figure out which side of this graph line is our solution area. So I'm going to pick this point 0, 0. That's going to be my test point. And so 0, 0, remember your x-coordinate is 0 and your y-coordinate is 0. So I'm going to plug in 0 for x and 0 for y. So that will give me 0 is less than 0 plus 1. So 0 is less than 1. So that is a true statement. 0 is less than 1. So I'm going to shade the side of this graph line where 0 sits. So everything on this side of our graph line would be a solution to the system. Or I'm sorry, to the inequality.